Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to fix AirPods automatic switching between your iPhone and iPad. So let's watch the video till the end. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Bluetooth. Tap on the little eye icon next to the AirPods that are connected to your iPhone. Then tap on Connect to this iPhone option. Here, you need to select when last connected to this iPhone option. Now, you have to repeat the same steps on the iPad. Launch the Settings app on your iPad. Then tap on the Bluetooth section. Ensure AirPods are connected to the iPad. If it's not connected, then tap on the AirPods name to connect it. Once AirPods is connected, tap on the eye icon next to your connected AirPods name. Then tap on the Connect to this iPad option. Select the second option as when last connected to this iPad. This will stop your AirPods from switching between your iPhone and others such as iPad or Mac. Now you can connect any one device from the Bluetooth setting. When you connect the second device to AirPods, it will automatically disconnect from the previous device's Bluetooth. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.